Hey creators! Want to go viral before a trend gets too crowded? In this video, I'll show you how to spot and jump on viral TikTok challenges early so you can stand out before the wave hits. And here's how to move fast. First, scroll to your For You page daily. If you see a same challenge twice in 5 to 10 minutes, it's hitting up. Then tap the sound or hashtag being used and check how many videos are under it. If it's still under 5K, you're early. Then follow the trending posting account like the social media or creator hub. They post early challenge alerts. Then here use a TikTok creative center. Go to the trending hashtags and look at what's climbing fast in your region. Make sure that your version is fast. You can add a niche twist, funny captions, or unique angles so you can stand out in early trend pool. And don't wait it to be polished. On TikTok, speed beats perfection, and that's how to write TikTok challenges early before everyone else jumps in. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe and turn the bell icon for more creator hacks. Thanks for watching.